Okay, so in this section of the course, we're going to be talking about the metronome. It's really important that we start getting used to what we're going to be doing with the amount of beats per minute. For example, I could be playing the same lick at 100 beats per minute with a quaver or eighth note pulse, with a triplet pulse, or a semi-quaver or 16th pulse. I'll show you what I mean. Understanding what to do with the amount of beats per minute that you have and how to address it with the different pulses is crucial to increasing shred speed or just the ability to play in time with different feels. Before we get stuck into the exercises, I want to talk about metronomes. Now, I've got a metronome app that I use called Metronome Beats. It's really cool. The great thing about this is that it has the ability to change BPMs. You can change the amount of notes or beats per measure. You can also change the amount of clicks that it'll have per beat as well. So you could adjust it to have a quaver pulse, you could adjust it to have a triplet pulse, you can have the semi-quaver 16th pulse. It's really cool. This is a very cost-effective way of not having to go out and buy a metronome. Of course, if you have one lying around the house, please use it. But there are plenty other than Metronome Beats that are available on the app in the Play Store, up for grabs, and most of them are free as well. So there's really no excuse to not be befriending your metronome. The next couple of exercises in this course are going to use entirely dead notes. So we're just going to get used to using the metronome and playing in time with dead notes. Once we're comfortable with that, we'll start looking at some more melodic ideas.